So we've actually just kicked this off, so it's really an opportunity to reset for our Women in Industry program. And it's a lunch and learn opportunity is where we are bringing in different guest speakers from different industry and talking about just different topics.
No, I'm just going to tell you my story. That's all I'm going to do.
You should do what you love. I liked working with my hands, and I married into the trade and wanted to learn more about it. I think that if they at all like to work in industry, in any kind of industry, get your degree, do the Polytech. It's the way to go. It's just the way to go.
A lot of women are strong, but they don't know how to use their strength.
I am in Ford Asset, and what drove me into Ford is I went to tech and I already had certifications in Ford, so I just stuck with Ford and I just plan on being a shop foreman and hopefully owning my own shop. That stuck with me is pretty much her talking about all the guys overlooking her, because in my industry I also feel that, especially in a small shop in a small town with a lot of cowboys, so I feel that a lot. And she said just let it go over your head and just power through, and that really stuck with me.
You've got to know what you're doing. Then that gives you confidence, and you don't have to worry about that other stuff.
You can do whatever you want to do, and you should do what you love.